In this video, you will learn how to withdraw money from CoinpayU. Log into your CoinpayU account. Go to the CoinpayU website and log in with your email address and password. Check your available balance. On your dashboard, view your crypto balance to ensure it meets and exceeds the minimum withdrawal limit. Go to withdrawal section. Click on the wallet icon or navigate to withdrawal tab from the main menu. Use a cryptocurrency. Select the crypto type. This could be Bitcoin, Dogecoin or Litecoin. So you can withdraw from CoinpayU wallet. Enter your wallet address and amount. Paste your external wallet address carefully and enter your withdrawal amount. Then double check for any typing errors. Confirm and submit your withdrawal request. Click enter or submit to finalize your process. You will receive a confirmation email or notification once the transfer is fully processed. Now you know how to withdraw your money from CoinpayU. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.